something. Oh, it caught on fire. Oh, blow it out, blow it out, blow it out. Okay, Zofia, what are we doing?
Today we're doing a campfire.
Yeah, that's exciting.
Okay, let's do a campfire now.
Okay, we're going to take some logs out of the fireplace.
Yeah.
And we're going to take one of these with us too.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? Yeah, this one. I guess this one will work.
Okay, that one won't work? Yeah. I don't know if I can get one, but you can get one.
Got bark.
Yeah.
We got a lighter. We got lighter fluid. And we have Zofia.
Yeah.
Let's go see what baby brother's doing.
Okay, I think he's doing fine.
Yeah, it's got to be nighttime though.
Oh,
so.
I just see a big ball behind
So we're.
the tree.
Oh, and we got a full moon up
Yeah,
there. Well, kind of. It's a little hazy.
I can't see him.
You can't see the moon?
Yeah, the moon's high.
Let's go.
The moon
Yeah, little baby brother's waiting there.
is waiting.
Here, he's waiting. You okay?
Okay, baby.
Okay, yay.
Yay.
Okay, guess what? Now we got the log of wood.
Yeah.
And I'm going to put some of this on there.
Yeah.
This one, look. Okay, we got to get it right on the log. See the lighter fluid?
Yeah.
Okay, and a little bit on the wood. Okay, cool. Then
That works.
here, let's try to
Oh.
see.
Wow.
Okay, we got to do the little log down here. There we are.
I'm ready for the campfire now.
Okay,
This
where's
way,
the marshmallows?
everybody.
You got the marshmallows?
Yeah, my papa. But first I get everybody.
Okay, let's put him on something.
Here's Goo Goo.
Oh,
Yes.
yes, you gotta get Goo Goo. How are you doing, Goo Goo?
He's
You like the campfire? I like the campfire. Cool. Okay, you can sit in front of the campfire.
Don't put it in there.
No. I'd never put her in there. No. Oh
My
goodness.
turtle.
On the little turtle?
Yep.
Sea breeze?
Yes, no breeze.
Okay, cool. I like this. It's nice and warm.
Okay, I'm ready. I got all the marshmallows.
Cool. We can hang out here. I feel all nice and toasty. You got some marshmallows?
Yeah, the marshmallows.
Okay, and here.
Lisa?
Sea breeze is here.
Yeah.
Let's see if she likes. Oh, that's nice and warm over here. In front of the fire.
Don't put your hand in there. I will bury you. Oh.
Oh, we need more lighter fluid.
Yeah.
Woo! There's a little too much. Wow.
That's high.
That's pretty high.
I got that. Oh. Give me more
Whoa.
marshmallows.
Okay,
Everyone
I like this.
will like it. Everyone will like it.
Mm-hmm.
You have to get one too, mine.
Okay, I'm gonna get. It's going down. Woo!
I got
Okay, here.
everybody to go
Okay.
have marshmallows.
Okay, everyone's ready.
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta put more in. There we go. Okay, I want a marshmallow. Wait a minute, you have your lollipop on the end. You gotta put it on something like that.
Yes.
Put your marshmallow on this. Stick it on there. There you go. Now you got it. Now you can put it in the fire. Come on. Toast it. Yay! Zofia's toasting. What's wrong?
I want to eat it.
No, you gotta toast it a little more. I'm gonna put a little bit more of this on here. Oh, nice. Woo! That's fun.
I need a firework.
Okay, you gotta toast it a little bit. I don't see it toasted. Let me have a look. That is not even toasted.
We need some more liquid. Are we done
Okay,
here?
it's going too far down. Hold it, quick. It's too hot.
Ow.
Don't put it right in your mouth after I've been toasting it.
Oh, sorry. That's not cool. You did.
Did you burn your mouth?
It's cool now. It's cool now. I'll get you now.
Okay, I have an idea. Let's give the baby one.
La, 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 la.
Wow, look at that. There, he's happy now. Okay, let's put this over here. Oh, a bit more. Whoa, woo!
Get you away.
That's cool. Oops. Very cool. Very cool. Yes. Neighbors are having a party, so just having our little party, barbecue. Woo! Watch out!
That's a high five.
The lighter fluids. You can't cook anything without a lighter fluid.
Okay, can I have to do the bubble one gum.
Yeah.
Take the marshmallow off and
How's baby doing?
toast it.
Heard a little cough. You okay? He's eating
Mommy,
his
I need some more.
marshmallow.
I need some more.
What?
It's tiny.
Ooh! Careful. It did? There you go. Good girl. That's how you get it all nice and toasty. Whoa.
That's my face.
No, we don't want that. It feels nice and warm.
Toast it. It's going down there.
Wow, it goes down so quick.
That's so high. Let's get. Yeah, the neighbors are having the party.
Yeah, they are. They're
Yep.
having a party.
Yeah, but
Are you getting any toasty on your... No, you're not. You got to get a little closer, I think. Oh, it caught on fire. Oh, blow it out. Blow it out. Blow it out. Good girl.
Oh, it's hot.
Okay.
Let's cool down. Let's get a bit.
Okay.
I think I need.
More? Okay.
I don't need more.
Woo!
That's the high one.
Yeah.
Everyone will like it. I think it's toast now, Mike.
Yeah. How does it look? Does it look a little brown on the outside? Oh dear, that went way down. Woo! Oh, let me see. Wow. Wow. Okay. It's all like squishy, right? Let me see. No, don't do that.
No.
Oh, your hair? Come closer to the flame. There you go. Okay. Well, you ate the marshmallow, right? Are you eating it, or it's just falling out? Just pull that part out. Don't leave that hanging, please. You don't want it? Okay, chew it, please. Oh, look. I got a little bit of marshmallow. I'll try it.
It's yummy.
Oh, I should have given it to a little baby. Ooh. He would like that.
Everyone will come to
I
like
think
this.
he's fine. He's fine. He's chewing on that. Ooh.
It's starting to go down. Go down right quickly.
Yeah, it does. Okay, now you got the hang of it, right? You put that on there. A little bit more.
That's
Oh.
high. Make way if it goes down a bit. Okay, done now. It's done now, Mike.
Okay.
I eat one bite.
Oh, it's done?
Yeah,
Well,
look.
be careful. It might be too hot, remember?
Feel it, Mike. Feel it.
No, that's not even cooked at all. You might want to try to get it a little cooked. Woo!
This is the last one.
Oh, okay, the last one.
That's
Woo-hoo-hoo.
high fire. Guys, the neighbors have party, but we can't go out the neighbors, right, Mike?
No, we don't want to go. There's alcohol over there.
Yeah.
We don't want to go near that.
He just burned my face here, but I
Oh,
yeah,
God.
get caught.
I'm
He'll
sorry.
get caught and turn fire.
Burn your face. Woo!
And
Okay, good.
I'll wait for it to go small. Yummy.
Mmm. A little bit more. Whoa. Woo, that went high. Oh, it went underneath. You know, we might want to make it go underneath. Ah, there you go. That's what you want to do. You make it go underneath. Maybe put some coals in there. That's what you really need. Yeah?
That's a flower.
Oh, thank you, honey. Is that for me?
Yeah, you can eat it.
Okay.
No,
You know
just
what?
not my marshmallow.
I don't know if I want that one. I'm going to put it in the fire, see what happens. Whoa.
I will get it.
You're going to get it out of there?
Yeah. It's going down. Bye-bye, fire. Yeah.
Oh, all right. Well, that was fun.
Have fun camping.
Huh?
I guess I'll go down.
That was fun.
My bike gets some more liquid. More liquid.
One more and then that's it?
Yeah.
Woo.
That's high fire.
Hi.
Hey, hey. Oh, get out of my house.
That's fun, huh?
Mine is getting not a marshmallow. Not a marshmallow, please.
Okay, one more, that's it, okay?
Okay.
No, it's okay. I got it. Woo! See, a little bit left. Are you going to drop it in there? Why are you going to drop it in? Don't do it with your little fingers.
Oh, why?
You got to use that. Yeah, use that. Perfect.
It's going down. It's going
There you
down
go.
quickly.
Now cook it.
We eat it.
Cook it good. I'll do it a little bit more, okay? There you go. Smoky.
Now I'm just drop it in there. See what happens.
Why are you going to drop it in there?
Because you did.
Oh, okay.
So work on my fingers here.
Okay.
Fire it now. Fire,
Fire?
fire. Fire.
Woo.
Now it's getting fire. Hey, get my house. I'll call your fire here. Look what happened.
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it?
You're having too much more.
Oh, there's your marshmallow. It's getting really cooked. Too much. It just gets too cooked.
See, it got too cooked.
Yeah.
It's too
Yucky. Yeah, one little bit more and then that's it. Woo! Oh, it's a lot of smoke. Wow.
Bye-bye, fire.
Okay.
Bye-bye, fire.
Yeah.
That was fun camping, Mommy.
Pardon?
That was fun camping.
You had fun camping?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Me too. Okay, nighty-night fire. Beautiful fire.
Yeah.
Sometimes can be dangerous and burns and hurts.
Yeah.
You always gotta be careful. Always be with a parent when you light a fire. Make sure a parent's right there.
Bye-bye, fire.
Can't do it on your own. Okay, bye-bye.